Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this series we are going to work on user authentication system using Nodejs MongoDB. And for front end, first I will cover with Flutter, then I will cover it with native Android like Java and Kotlin, and maybe with Jetpack Compose. But first of all, we will work on our API side. I have already downloaded this Node.js, and if you don't have Node.js on your computer, then come to this website, and here you can download this Node.js version. And right now Node.js current version is 23.5.0, and I have also this new version like Node version. I have also installed it. Okay, so I have already this version, and sometimes Node gives versions issues. Then if you want to install any particular version, then you can also use this commands nvm install like 1820. Okay, and you can use this command to check the Node version. Okay, basically nvm is like Node version manager, like fvm that we use in our for Flutter version manager. Okay, so this is for nvm for Node.js Node version manager, and this npm is like Node package manager. Okay, so there are two this is the difference between nvm and npm. Okay, now I will initialize our npm init, and it will ask about package name, and I will go like this, like empty version description entry point. Okay, entry point is by default index.js. You can change it like app.js, main.js, it is up to you. Okay, and for others I will just click enter. Okay, and at the end I will click yes. Okay, so here you can see package.json. It is created. Now I will create a new file in index.js. Okay, so this will be our entry point, and now I will initialize or install an express. Express is Node.js framework, and it has already built-in routing, middlewares, and other stuff, so it make our works easy. Okay, so we don't need to create routings and other stuff on our own. We will use this express. And if we come to this package.json, here you can see our express is installed. Now come to this index.js. So for importing packages, there are two different ways. Like if we come to package.json, here you can see type is common JS. It will be like express require, and this is one form, and other one is like import express from express. Okay, so this is for our common JS, and this is for our module type. Okay, so we will use module, and if you come to this type and just change it module. Now come to index.js file and remove this one. Okay, so we will use this type, module type. Okay, now we will create an app express. Okay, so it will create our app, and now we can do multiple things with this app, like app.listen. Here we can give a port, and right now I'm giving it like 3000, and we will create an arrow function, and here we will add like console.log, and here we'll print server is running on port 3000. Okay, so this is when we run this index.js file, this will be printed. And now we will add a callback, or we can say add an endpoint for testing, like app.get. okay, so you can like app.get, app.post, you can perform code using this app. Okay, so right now I'm go with this app.get, and by default I will use this slash. You can give any name like home, endpoint, like login, okay, sign up, forget password, it is up to you, but for testing I will use this. And there are two params we need, request and response. And here is an other arrow function. This request is like when we pass data to our API. Okay, so we will actually pass in this request, and this one is response, when we get response back from the API. So this will send response to us, like response dot send, and here we will print like we are working on Nodejs auth system. Okay, now just save this file, come to your terminal, clear these things, and now run node index.js. okay, and if we click this enter, okay, so there is an error, and I think const maybe will work. Okay, now server is running on port 3000. Now if we come to browser and new tab, write localhost and 3000 and backslash. If we go to this, here you can see we are working on Node.js auth system. Okay, so this is our code is working. So we have successfully set up our Node.js. okay, so this is for this video, and from next video I will show you how we can use MongoDB and use MongoDB to connect with our Node.js. okay, so if you like the video, please share, subscribe my channel, and also like and comment. okay, thank you.